am still interested politically in like this idea, and I'm not sure I'm pronouncing it correctly, but Doikite, which is an idea that came out of the Bund of here-ness, was what it translates to, and of if you're here in, you know, if you're living in a nation and there were indigenous people to that place, there are people who currently live in that place, and as a Jew in diaspora, I just need to be here where I am, is my sense. And I think that's a lot of like my identity as a Jewish artist, is as a Jewish artist in diaspora. And that's really informed a lot of my work and a lot of my political work too. And you know, if my identity is of a person in diaspora and I don't have a land to go home to per se, and I don't ascribe to Israel in that way, then, you know, what does that mean about how I live my life, and how I've come to feel what that means for me is to do solidarity work with indigenous people on the land that I live in. Currently, I live in the Bay Area, San Francisco Bay Area, so working with the Lishan people, who are the Europeans called Ohlone people, more commonly known as. And I mean, that work's like been so transformative for me to do that work, and for me to feel a sense of home and here-ness and presence when I acknowledge that and do work to support the people who are indigenous to the land.